Hi, this is Karen with WTI.
I love products that I trust that they will do their job, and this ZEJIA 5-gram cosmetic containers, it is it. I can add facial creams, or it could be a powder, it could be makeup, and I know and I trust that they will be inside of the container the whole time. I'm sure that there will be no spills. So with a peace of mind, I know that everything that I will give away in these little containers, it will stay inside. I love to do either lipstick and also some concealer that are custom made to my brides, my makeup clients, or just my friends. And also, I love the fact that they come with little stickers, like little labels that you can actually write on them and put the name of the product.
And that's my point of view.